This is question 2 of the LSAT PrepTest 157 second section, the first logical reasoning section. We've got a highlight tool ready to go, and we read the question stem first. Which one of the following, if true, most weakens the argument? So I'm just going to highlight weakens as soon as I find it, and we know we're going to read the paragraph, and we're going to identify the conclusion, highlight that conclusion, and attempt to mentally predict a reasonable way to broadly weaken that conclusion. So we start at the top. The sculptor Barajas died before she could even begin sculpting the statue called Sonora. However, because Sonora was sculpted by Barajas's assistants, working from three sketches Barajas drew in preparing to create the statue herself, the statue probably looks very much like it would have looked if she had lived to complete it. The qualifier of probably and a prediction of what is likely to occur are the two ways that hopefully we can immediately identify the final clause as the conclusion. Then we want to think about how the author of this argument gets to that conclusion, which is based on the idea that these three sketches drawn by Barajas herself were used by the assistants of Barajas after her death and before she could even begin sculpting that statue. So we want to mentally predict that these three sketches used by the assistants were not going to be the same as Barajas would have made the sculpture had she lived to complete it. So we'll go to the answer choices with that mental prediction in mind, and we read choice A first. Ordinarily, Barajas's ideas for her statues were revised substantially throughout a series of dozens of preliminary sketches. Well, I'm going to highlight that statement at the end here because it shows that three sketches alone are a very limited sample size of dozens of preliminary sketches. So if we've just got a sample of three out of dozens, that's going to weaken this claim that the statue looks as it would have had Barajas sculpted it herself, and hopefully we can select A almost immediately based on our prediction. Moving on to the remaining answer choices, primarily for the purposes of this video, we're still going to look for reasons to eliminate. Now, choice B, one of the assistants who worked closely with Barajas in planning Sonora did not participate in sculpting it. Okay, one of the assistants. Was that assistant like terribly involved in the sculpting? Was that assistant, when it comes to planning Sonora, was that somebody who does sculpting at all? I have no idea. I need additional information to relate this conclusively to the conclusion, so we should be able to eliminate choice B. Next, choice C. Sonora is composed partly of materials that Barajas did not frequently use in the statues that she completed during her lifetime. Okay, composed partly of materials, like 1%, 20%, 90%. I have no idea. I've got more questions than answers from this choice, so I can eliminate it for needing additional information as well. Then choice D, Barajas always worked from sketches when she sculpted a statue. Well, then it seems like the sketches are going to be informative of how the statue should work as part of her normal process, and this would actually strengthen the argument, so we can eliminate choice D as being a task reversal. And then lastly, choice E, Barajas never took as long to complete a statue as the assistants did to sculpt Sonora. Well, never took as long to complete. Was it like a minute short? Was it like 5 days short? 5 years short? Again, I need more information to parse this qualifier in choice E that we just highlighted, so we should be able to see readily how choice A is the correct answer for this week in task.